Hello, Captain Mumu here, and today I am riding the lift at Sports Direct in Manchester, and I'm not sure what these fixtures are, but I've seen a lift with them before. Door close button for a lift with 2 floors. 1. Comes out orange on it. Stop. You freak me out when you do that, you know that. Looks like there used to be a floor here. It's been covered up. That is a very hard start. Oof. The lift dropped down as it opened. Door open works, and door close works. It's a very hard start. Are you even going down? Yeah. Right, going down. There's an alarm button there. You can see where the other floor was. When it was going down, the door opened as it was still moving. This is where the original down button was. It's not there anymore. God, the levelling system for this lift is insane. Door doesn't even close correctly. Oh my gosh, this lift is scary. Like, watch this. Here we go. I'm going to show you it drop down as the door opens. Watch. See that?
Go on, Sam.
Right, let's get out. Anyway, that has been Captain Mumu in a lift with a very broken levelling system. I just don't want to film other people.
Okay.
Yep, the lift's going down. The call button has been... This lift is in such bad condition. Honestly, the call button has come off. But anyway, that's been Captain Mumu in this quite bad lift at Sports Direct in Manchester. So bye.